Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Near Protocol. And if you remember in the previous video, we were right in here, and the idea was that because this is kind of a strong move down, and also it does very much look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure down. Well, this means we need to be a bit careful and also not necessarily optimistic. And I was arguing that maybe in here we are going to have a move on the upside, and if you somehow want to be bullish in this area, you need to pay full attention to the shape of that move. So what happened? We did get a move up, this one, but as you can see, it wasn't really that strong. Now I think there is still a chance that we may see something like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But at that point, I need you to be a bit more patient, because maybe we're gonna have, starting from here, like an A, B, C expanded flat. And what's gonna happen next if this scenario is in play? Unfortunately, we are going to see another move down. Now, here is another reason to be not necessarily optimistic in here, and we also talked about this point in the previous video. You see, I said under any kind of circumstances in Near Protocol, I do not want to see a move down in order to take this important low about, let's say, exactly $2.5. Why is that? Because I said taking this low is going to kind of imply that we are having in here, in this move on the upside, an ABC zigzag or maybe a WXY, generally some sort of a corrective movement and not an impulse. And well, this means that from these areas we are going to continue our move down in order to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, $2.1. Can we come up with a bullish possibility in here? Yes, it is possible to find some sort of an impulse in here, but the shape of it is going to look so odd and weird to a degree that is going to make me say, you know what, that's probably not going to be my primary case. And right now, I'm telling you, I am not optimistic just for the short term in here, and I'm going to say maybe we are having some sort of an ABC on the upside. And even if we get like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and do something like this, even at that point, I'm going to say, you know what, maybe we are having like 5 down into 1 correction for wave 2, and then we're going to get another move down into wave 3, 4, 5. And I'm hoping that will be it, our final low, and from these areas we start the next major phase of the bull run. So in terms of overall structures in the mid to long term, I am still optimistic in here, do not get me wrong. However, the picture in the short term for now does look a bit more bearish than bullish, and I do not believe that right in here there's like a trading setup in Near Protocol. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in here. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.